What's going on, everybody? This is Davin. I'm taking action and doing business down here in San Diego, California. I just wanted to give a huge shout out to my man Brent Daniels. Anybody that's looking to join this program or on the fence about joining, I highly suggest it, man. Just to give a quick story about myself. Shortly after I joined the program, I got through all the training courses. I called for about 2 hours on one Saturday. I literally got a contract signed that same day and closed and tripled the investment that I made on myself by joining this program. Not even tripled. I 10x'd it. I 10x'd what the investment was on one deal the same day I made the calls. So I'm not saying it's gonna happen like that for you, but if I can get these type of results, I know it's possible. You stay consistent and do everything that he tells you, and you're gonna win. Winners win. So I suggest everybody that's on the fence and wants to join that you join, you get it done, and then you start taking action. So thank you.